So in this video, I will review and test the KALLODEAR multi-purpose ultrasonic cleaner. This sonic jewelry cleaner can efficiently clean dirty jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, dentures, coins, and more in just minutes using only tap water. So let's see what is in the box and clean some coins and jewelry I found metal detecting. Wish me luck! Let's see what is in the box. Alright, that's a very compact ultrasonic cleaner. Has the ultrasonic instruction manual. Let's see the device. Alright, very small little one. Has the plastic lid, and inside comes with the power supply. And then this is a 4 milliliter capacity chamber to put your jewelry. So we're gonna clean this jewelry, okay, and some old coins that I found. All right, we had to plug this in, and then we're gonna continue. All right, so here it is. It is already plugged in. Let's see the different parts according to the instructions manual. So this is the power button here, or the knob, and this is the gear button, so that you know you are going to clean eyeglasses, jewelry, a watch, and then it has the plastic lid. This is the body. Like I said, this is the display button, and then it has foot pads on the bottom. All right, so let's see how this works. Let me take this out for a minute. And it says that you just tap here the on button and start working. So once you have it on, you can use the gear knob to select what you're going to clean, glasses, jewelry, watch, make sure that it's waterproof, or other things that you like to clean. All right, so you don't have to set the time for this device. It's already set for you. It says that for cleaning glasses, the time is 2 minutes. For jewelry, is 3 minutes. For you want to clean a watch, that would be 5 minutes. Make sure that your watch is waterproof, of course. And then the custom made, it has an automatic shutdown in 10 minutes. So this last one is the custom mode. If you have something that is really dirty, then it will shut off after 10 minutes. All right, so let's see this ultrasonic machine in action. It has a water tank capacity of 400 milliliters. All right, so let's see that we're gonna clean some jewelry. These are things that I found metal detecting, and some old coins. All right, so let's see. Let's put some tap water. Actually, you're gonna put some distilled water, and then to see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna add some distilled water, at least halfway, but these are flat items, and I'm gonna drop the coins first. This is a mercury dime and a rosy, and you see they have dirt on it, so I'm gonna dump them there. And some silver jewelry that I found metal detecting. Let's drop them in there as well. And then we're gonna put this in the jewelry mode, which is 3 minutes. We're gonna cover this up. Gonna start the machine. All right, and then change the mode and wait to see what happens. you see the action, you can see how it is removing all the dirt from the coins and the jewelry. Absolutely awesome. And I see that when you add water, the machine is quieter. Okay, let's see the 3 minutes. All right, so it's finished. Let's see the coins first. And I can see that they look cleaner. Silver that's been on the ground for many years, they going to have stains. That's what we call a patina. So that's not dirt. So this dime is really clean, very nice. Let's see the mercury dime is also clean. Like I said, this is not dirt, it's just stains from being buried for many years. You're not supposed to clean them more than this. Let's see this other piece here is clean as well. Very nice. So, rings, absolutely clean. Nice. This has dirt on these crevices here, and I can see probably needs a little bit more. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. This one is clean. Yeah, some jewelry is gonna need more time depending on the amount of dirt. This one is clean. This one is super clean. Very nice. And this one, delicate one as well, is clean. All right, that's it. So I would say that for this piece, it has still some dirt down there. It requires more time. And that's completely normal also for this cleaning machine. Sometimes they need, some pieces need more time than others. But overall, very good job. And the good thing about this is that it's waterproof. So you have to be, concerned about, getting electrocuted or something like that. Very nice. Very good job for this wonderful little machine, ultrasonic cleaner. Nice. So I'm giving more time to this one, and I can see that there's still dirt coming off. Remember, this is jewelry that I found metal detecting. They were buried on the ground, and so it has been on the ground for many years. All right, so it's gonna have a lot of dirt. I see that it's coming off, so it's gonna get clean eventually. For this one, you could use then the custom mode, and you can just leave for 5 more minutes if you want. But you know what? Excellent machine. Okay, 3 more minutes and done. Very good. Absolutely clean silver ring. This is an oldie one, probably from the 1930s, 40s. Beautiful. There you have it. So very efficient ultrasonic cleaning machine. Okay, thank you for watching, and on my next metal detecting adventure, wish me luck.